Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acoustic. 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 Acoustic is an adjective that relates to sound, the sense of hearing, or the science of sound. It often refers to the properties of an environment, instrument, or performance in terms of sound transmission and quality. Here are some examples. Example number 1. An acoustic guitar produces its sound through the vibration of its strings, without the need for amplification. Why acoustic is used in example number 1. Acoustic describes the method of sound production in a musical instrument. Example number 2. Architects consider room acoustics when designing spaces to optimize sound quality. Why acoustic is used in example number 2. Acoustic is used in the context of architectural sound design. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.